Welcome to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Clek Foonf Cup Holder, a must-have accessory for parents on the go. Stick around as we explore its features, installation, and usability. The Clek Foonf Cup Holder is designed specifically for Clek Foonf and Flow car seats, ensuring a secure fit. It's a convenient solution for keeping your child's drinks within reach during car rides. Let's take a closer look at this cup holder's key features. First and foremost, it's essential to note that this cup holder is exclusively designed for Clek Foonf and Flow child seats. It's not compatible with other car seat brands. So, if you own a Clek Foonf or Flow, this accessory is tailor-made for you. Installation is a breeze. The Clek Foonf cup holder comes with two brackets, one for each side of the car seat. Simply insert the bracket into the corresponding seatbelt pass-through hole, making sure the tab is securely in place. It takes just a few seconds. Despite its simple design, this cup holder is robust and can hold a variety of kids' drink containers. It's a practical addition for longer trips, allowing your little ones easy access to their beverages. Cleaning is hassle-free as it's dishwasher safe. You can easily remove it, rinse it off, and snap it back in place. No more struggling with hard-to-clean cup holders. Now, let's discuss its real-world usability. In our experience, the Clek Foonf cup holder works well for forward-facing installations. It keeps drinks within easy reach for your child. However, in rear-facing positions, the seatbelt may interfere with secure attachment, so be mindful of this when installing it. The cup holder is designed with children in mind. It's positioned within their reach, making it convenient for them to access their drinks during car rides. Now, let's talk about the price. Some may find it a bit steep for a cup holder, especially considering the premium price of Clek car seats. However, it's worth considering as an accessory to enhance your child's comfort during travel. In summary, the Clek Foonf cup holder is a useful accessory for Clek Foonf and Flow car seat owners. It's easy to install, sturdy, and designed with children's needs in mind. While the price may be a factor, its convenience and practicality make it a worthwhile addition to your car seat setup. If you're a Clek Foonf or Flow owner looking to improve your child's car seat experience, the Clek Foonf cup holder could be the answer. Don't forget to check out the product details and availability on Amazon.com. Thanks for joining us at Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative product reviews. Have questions or want to share your thoughts? Leave a comment below. Until next time, happy parenting and safe travels.